Well, it's definitely the first time we are seeing a concept of a concept. This is the BE Rall-E. It is based on the BE05 and definitely it's got plenty of rally in it. Right at the front you can see a lot of aggressiveness, a lot of tough and rugged bits. As you can see, the bumpers have been redone. You have this nice badge plate as well, a door hook, and the headlamps, if you're recognizing, is from the 5-door Thar, and that's definitely something we know a lot of. Over to the side, we've got chunky wheels. They're definitely a lot more aggressive and off-roady in that sense. We've got 60 profile tires as well. As you look, I mean, this is clearly a Dakar-inspired car. It's absolutely ready to go for Dakar right now. You've got this massive rack on the top as well. You've got your wheel here. Of course, you don't need to carry fuel cans, but you will carry battery packs with you if you're ready to race. And it is a 4-door, so you've got these flush door handles at the front. It's got this lovely coupe line as well. And as you can see, again, the cladding is not glossy as it is on the B05. It is this rough and tough look. At the rear, things are very, very simple, but very modern indeed. You have this nice one-piece glass, and low down you also have one more tow hook. Apart from that, you've got, well, it is just an absolute monster. And if this turns into reality, India will definitely need this car. This is something we can absolutely use. Ground clearance, not an issue. And I mean, it's safe to say people are just going to jump out of the way.